Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we have a £5 coin review, and it is of the latest in the Music Icon series, the late but great George Micheal. I just need a book. The Cooper Nickel. Well, we all seen blue card Cooper Nickels. What I'm going to concentrate on is the coloured version. George Micheal, born Georgios Kyriakos Panagiotou, I think is the way he's doing, on the 25th of June 1963 in East Finchley. He died Christmas Day on 2016 in Goring-on-Thames. The worldwide sales is around about 125 million. He has had 10 number ones on the US Billboard and 13 on the UK charts. The Radio Academy named him the most played artist in 1984 to 2004. The Rock and Roll Hall of Fame inducted him in 2023. Some 6 years after his death. From 1981, with Andrew Ridgeley, he formed Wham. In 1985, they toured China, and it was the first by a Western group. In 1984-5, he was part of the Band-Aid, and consequently, a year later, in June of 1985, he took part in Live Aid. In 1998, George Micheal came out as gay, and he was an active member of the LGBT rights campaign. He was arrested in 1998 for public lewdness. He died of a heart attack on Christmas Day 2016. On the 20th of April 1992, played as part of the Freddie Mercury tribute concert. He duetted with Queen and Lisa Stansfield during that concert on the tracks These Are the Days with Lisa and Queen, and with Queen alone the fantastic Someone to Love. I know anybody who's been on YouTube and actually seen their Montreal version, Queen's Montreal version with Freddie from 1981. It was some spectacular show of that particular number. There was a 5 live EP that was recorded around about this time, which included Queen, George Micheal and Lisa Stansfield, and it was called 5 Live. And the songs were recorded in 1991 and 1992. Okay, so that's a little bit about George Micheal. Let's take a look at this packaging. If we start at the back, we have some information about George and also specifications of the coins. If you wish to read this, please pause and enlarge the video. On the cutout here, which is 3D, you can see my hand going behind it. I believe that this is from the Faith album, and or was one of the series of photographs taken for the Faith album. It shows a jukebox and George with a guitar. And underneath we have 2 areas. I've got to have faith and you have been loved, which I think were 2 of the songs off that album. There's a little bit about Wham on this fly, or this part of it, and it says Making It Big with Wham. And last but not least, in this part of the gatefold, Amazing, and it talks about part of his solo career and also his album Freedom. And then we have an area, Heaven Knows I Was Just a Young Boy. This talks about another part of his life. The coin itself We have a portrait of Charles III on this side with the date of 2024. And he has George, I'm not sure if that's Wembley or not. I don't think, I have a feeling that was possibly one of his Symphonia tour perhaps, rather than rather than Live Aid. And this is the front of the coin. We have the Cooper nickel version of George Micheal, with his mirror sunglasses that he always wore, or tended to always wear. And on the back there we have a sound recording level, probably of his voice, or possibly of his voice, with some music bars underneath it. We have his name just here to the right of the coin. And then we have AE here, which is a registered trademark of something to do with George Micheal himself. I haven't been able to be fully aware of that. When you look at the two coins side by side, is there a great difference? The splash of colour in the background does make the portrait stand out, but I'm not sure. I think this is one of the coins that could have done with perhaps a bit more colour, possibly the sunglasses, or his face being in colour as well. I don't know. It's one of those, it's 6 of one, half a dozen of the other. Sometimes when you get more colour it takes away from the coin. This does have an impact. Whether it has the impact that we'd all like to see, I don't know. What do you think of the coin? Tell me in the comments down below what you think. That ends this particular video or review of the George Micheal £5 coin. If you enjoyed this video, would you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost you any money. Also, if you haven't already done so, could you think about subscribing to the channel? Again, it won't cost you anything. I'm currently on 298 on the 12th of March. My aim is to get to 425 by the end of this year, so therefore I do need your help if you're willing to do it and you believe I deserve it. For those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. For those of you who are buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, I do 5 videos a week, sometimes 6, and I hope that in doing that you can find something you want to watch. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you so much and bye bye. Ta-da now.